Ledger and trial balance. Yes, this is our new topic. And in this module, we will discuss why do we need a ledger. Remember that ledger comes after journal. And journal is the first book in which transactions, events, and conditions are recorded. So, in a journal, in fact, we cannot trace the final balance of an accounting head. We know very well that journal is a book in which financial information are recorded in a chronological sequence, in a date sequence. We do not bother to summarize any related or similar information about one accounting head. So journal gives us, in fact, a chronological picture of our financial information, transactions, events, and condition. So a need arises that ultimately we have to know what is the financial position of our entity. How much profits we have earned. What are the total assets and total liabilities of our entity. Therefore, we need a book in which summaries are prepared for each accounting head. So, main ledger, general ledger, or nominal ledger is in fact the name of a book in which different summaries are prepared. So in a main ledger, let's call it main ledger now from onwards. By the way, main ledger, general ledger, and nominal ledger. These are the three names of the same book. We can use either name. So in this main ledger, we prepare summaries of each accounting head, which in fact give us balance at the end of the reporting period. By the way, we know very well that journal is the book of original entry, which is prepared in a chronological sequence, and journal does not produce final balance at the end of the reporting period. Therefore, journal does not serve the purpose to get balances for reporting in the financial statements. And ledger is maintained, in fact, to extract these balances. So the important tips that we have to remember in this module are that main ledger is a book of account. Main ledger is a book of account, which is also named as general ledger and nominal ledger. And ledger account is a summary of similar transaction of an accounting head that we have already recorded in journal. And each ledger account gives a balance at the end of a reporting period. Thank you very much.